What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach and Kellen. We're out here in Nashville, Tennessee, doing a beautiful home theater installation. And today, we are going to be doing our first installation of the brand new JVC DLA-NZ900 8K E-Shift projector. This puppy is going to have it all, guys. We're talking about frame adapt HDR, fluorescent laser, DLA technology, frame adapt HDR. It's now up to 3,300 lumens. We got 150,000 to 1 contrast and many other exciting features that we're going to be going over in upcoming videos. Kellen, do you have anything else that you'd like to add?
No, I mean, we're on our 3rd generation DLA chip. There is a new deep black function and a new vivid mode for standard SDR content. So if you're video gaming in a non-HDR video game, or if you're watching an SDR animated film or kids movie, you really want that picture to, wow you with pop. Yeah, so it's going to be excited to check out those 2 new functions, the new performance advantages with a brighter output, more contrast. We're going to be able to kind of see those head to head against the previous generation, the NZ9.
Yeah, guys, so this is just going to be a quick unboxing video to show this thing off and go over some of the key features, kind of just take a look at the body. But in upcoming videos, we brought an NZ9 out here with us, and we're going to do a side-by-side comparison and give you our honest thoughts, try to put it through its paces, put some different scenes on the screen side by side, and really analyze it for you guys so you can make an educated buying decision.
And I mean, we're going to be doing what normal people would be throwing at it, Apple TV, streaming on YouTube, Disney Plus, Netflix, Kaleidoscape. So we're going to have all types of flavors and content to look at these things. The crown jewel today is to get this puppy open, and I couldn't be more excited.
Yeah, we're super
I've been living
stoked
with the NZ9 for a little over a year, almost a year now. I can't wait to see the differences, if I can tell any, which I have a strong sense that we'll be able to pick up on the brightness for sure. The NZ9 has been industry leading for past 2 or 3 years now. So this is going to take its place.
So I'll be really honest with you guys. I'm curious to see how significant these upgrades really are, because a lot of our customers are going to be asking, is it worth it? Is it worth the money to upgrade my NZ789 to this 800-900 series? I hope I can answer it for you guys, but I think our real core audience that is going to appreciate this product and go through their upgrade cycle is all of our customers back from maybe 2016 to 2019, 2020.
The NX9.
All the COVID. Yeah, exactly.
Or the RS45ers out there, 4500s out there.
If you still have one of those RS440s or something where you had 1080p and then you had the 4K E-Shift, well, it's the same technology. They're just continuing to advance it. They actually get their trickle-down technology from their commercial line.
Used in flight simulators and all that. So
if you guys would like to purchase this product, reach out today for a free video consultation with one of our specialists. Dream Media is nationwide. We can ship this right to your door along with every single component that you need for your home theater, whether it's receivers, speaker wire, speaker brackets, the speakers themselves, subwoofers, screens, anything you need to complete your project. We're here to guide you through the process, take our years of experience and make it seamless for you. Now, if you don't want to DIY, keep in mind we also have preferred installers in 28 different states who can help you get it put in, and a Dream Media Plus Club that you can join and have senior staff actually oversee your entire project, including DWG drawings, renderings, 3D animation, fly-throughs. Really, the sky's the limit on how far you want to go, but we can oversee the entire project, do the project management, as well as the implementation, calibration, and installation, and with white glove service. If you guys are interested in that, ask one of our specialists. All right, guys, well, let's get this puppy open.
all right, guys, so went ahead and sliced it open. On top here, you're gonna have a little diagram that says grab a buddy, to help you lift up this projector. So NZ900, NZ800, those are gonna be pushing, 50 pounds plus if you go to the NZ900. NZ7 is still gonna fall below. On the inside, you have your power cord, you have your remote, batteries for the remote, your warranty information. If you
talk about warranty, Kellen.
Yeah, you don't want to buy it from a crazy Chris off the street. So yeah, make sure you're buying it from an authorized dealer. That way you do have a warranty. Your dealer and JVC can have your back to replace it. There's a 1-year advanced replacement. So if you have an issue within the first year, they're gonna send out a brand new unit to you. You put the old one in the box, ship it back to them. But yeah, top foam, again, these boxes ship very well. I don't think, we've really ever had any shipping damages with a JVC. They come very well packaged. And yeah, this is pretty much the moment you've been waiting for. I know it says grab a buddy, grab a friend, but I'm not gonna wait on Zach. So here we go. Alrighty, right. I think this is gonna be the front. So, I'm gonna show you the back first. How about that? Be gentle. Alrighty, here we go. NZ900. So one thing you will notice on the NZ900, or if you can still find an NZ9, get a good deal on those. These are gonna have, something we forgot to describe earlier. It's gonna have a 100mm all glass lens, where the NZ7, the NP5, they're gonna have a smaller lens.
Got your IR sensor right there on the front. There's an IR sensor on the back of this unit. We got hard buttons, on off menu, all of the up, down, left, right, okay, back input buttons. One cool thing with this new model is they said they have 4K 120 Hz inputs, 8K 60 Hz inputs.
Yep.
HDMI 2.1, 3D sync, RRS-232 service, LAN, and trigger ports.
Guys, I can't tell you how excited I am to get this thing put up at the back of the room, side by side next to the NZ9, and give you my honest opinion and show you some visuals. Try to dial it in and do our best to give a real life side by side for you guys.
Yeah, obviously, they're gonna be uncalibrated, right? So these will be out of the box settings that you can do at home, but we strongly encourage you get your projectors calibrated. This is a fair take on it.
With the industry leaders and calibration, if you would like, we can send your projector off to Chris Deering to have it calibrated specific to your exact room and screen prior to installation. One other thing that I didn't touch on that I think is really cool that JVC has built into their projectors, all models, even the previous generation, is the home theater optimizer tool.
Yeah, so essentially it's going to make best judgment on the situation of your screen material. It's not going to take into account, of the room itself, but it'll know how far away the throw distance is based on your settings for focus and zoom. Take into account, the hard measurements that you key into it, whether that's a 120, 130, 140, 150 diagonal, whatever that is, you tell the projector that, and then you tell it the screen gain, so the reflectiviness of the material itself, a 1.0, a negative gain of 1.2, 1.3. Essentially, that's going to be the gain of the material. You tell the projector that, and it will, again, do its best judgment on what it's being thrown at and what's in front of it. There actually is a whole index of screen codes. So if you have a, Stewart Film Screen Studio Tech 130 or a Screen Innovation Slate 1.2, there will actually be a screen code in that JVC index. And if you don't know or you can't find it, you buy the projector from us, we will tell you what that code is. It's nothing hidden there. We'll do the work for you on that if you don't want to mess with it.
Reach out for a free video consultation and we'll deep dive into your exact room and go over why we recommend certain products, or what your lifestyle is going to be like. Is it a dedicated space you're only watching movies with no lights on? Or do you like sports? You have kids? Are you going to be watching Disney shows? Are you going to have some lights on? This room here, with an ambient light rejecting screen, ALR material. We sell ALR screens. We have ultra short throw screens. Obviously, this is a standard front throw projector. We also have acoustically transparent screens where you can put all your speakers behind the screen. Traditionally speaking, lower gain screens are going to give you better contrast but with less brightness. A 1.0 gain is your standard reference level cinema screen. A lot of dedicated home theater screens though, you'll see like a 1.3 as an example. That's going to give you more brightness and not quite the contrast. But when you have a projector like this and you're trying to maximize your brightness output for the space, that higher gain may be necessary to achieve peak HDR levels. So a lot of different things to consider when building your dream home theater. Here at Dream Media, we love it, guys. This is what we do, and we would love the opportunity to earn your business. Wherever you're at in the country, reach out today and give us a shot. Well, that's all we got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Stay tuned for the shootout in upcoming videos. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media and Kelly. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.